Our top story, a local woman says she was shocked by what she found inside Memorial Health earlier this month. Overcrowded hallways, patients everywhere, and chaos, she says, brings up some serious safety concerns. WSCV's Nakaya Harris talked with her about experience and why she wants the community to take notice before it gets worse.
Yes, Christina Bryan Parker says her recent experience at Memorial Health is one she will never forget. She says now her goal is to raise awareness and attempt to bring about change. Local woman says what she saw inside Memorial Health earlier this month left her in shambles.
How do you keep a clean hospital when everyone's in the hall?
Christina Bryan Parker says she went with her husband to the emergency room after he experienced heart issues. She says what she saw inside was alarming.
They rushed us back quickly as we walked through. I had a shock because all of the rooms were full and patients were in every place you could imagine in the halls. And they were having a hard time maneuvering other patients through the halls because there were so many patients in the halls.
She says the overcrowding brought back memories of the pandemic, something she hopes she'd never see again.
To see that in a normal setting and to question the nurses and say, wow, this is a lot of people in the halls, and them to say, oh, this is not even busy.
She says it felt like she was in a third world country.
I was sitting in the ER waiting on my husband and watching him in a hallway, going through the process of trying to find out what was going on with him. And I was watching other patients around us. I watched an elderly woman, they were talking about her catheter in her bladder.
Bryan Parker's social media about her experience has gained attention online. She says her goal is to raise awareness around what she calls dangerous hospital overcrowding before it gets worse.
And this area is changing quickly. You're going to be left behind, and you're going to be in a situation that I don't want to see anyone in.
Now, we received a response saying in part, quote, from time to time, our emergency department experiences higher than usual patient volumes, often related to seasonal illnesses. During these times, our care teams ensure that no patient waits without medical attention. In some situations, this means temporarily caring for patients in designated areas while we work quickly to transition them to private treatment rooms. These designated areas are continuously monitored and staffed by experienced medical professionals who provide the same high level of attention and safety as in any other part of our hospital, end quote. Now, Memorial Health has also announced plans to build 2 freestanding ERs in Pooler and Richmond Hill and a 90-bed patient tower on its main campus to help address growth in the community. Their full statement will be on our website. That's WSAV.com. Nakaya Harris, WSAV News 3, on your side.